It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 54. We have piecewise defined function. If x is less than -2, then f of x is this. If x is greater than -2, then function f is this. The question is to find limit as x approaches -2 f of x, if it exists, or explain why it does not exist. Okay, so let's say this is x-axis, this is the x-axis, and let's say here's -2, right? If x is less than -2, we have this function, right? So we're going to have to find the left-hand limit of this function, right, as x approaches -2, right? So limit as x approaches -2 from left-hand side, we have a -4x minus 8 over x plus 2. So that is equal to limit as x approaches -2 from left-hand side. If we factor this, that's -4 times x plus 2, and we have x plus 2 here. So we can cancel this factor right here. So that's going to be equal to just to -4, right? So the left-hand limit of this function f of x is equal to -4. And let's find the right-hand limit. If x approaches -2 from the right-hand side, we have to find the limit from this function, right? Because f is defined as this if x is greater than -2. So limit as x approaches -2 from right-hand side, we have x squared minus 4 over 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. So let's simplify this. X squared minus 4, that is equal to x minus 2, x plus 2, and over 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. That's, let's say we have a 2x here, x here, and we must have 2 here, plus 1 here, right? So that 2x plus 2, that's plus 4x, 1 plus x, that's plus 1x. If we add those two terms, we'll have a 5x, right? So x plus 2 will be cancelled out, right? So that is equal to limit as x approaches -2 from right hand side, x minus 2 over 2x plus 1. Now substitute -2 for x. So -2 here, -2 here. That's going to be equal to -4 over, isn't it -3? -3. So that is equal to 4 over 3, right? Which is not equal to this value right here, the left-hand limit. So since left-hand limit and right-hand limit are not equal to each other, we can conclude that this limit doesn't exist. Limit as x approaches -2, f of x does not exist because limit as x approaches -2 from left-hand side is not equal to the limit as x approaches -2 from right-hand side, right?